when you cry, please. What else is on? So don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you wouldn't quite a show. Really had me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. There was quite a show. Very entertaining, but it's over now. Go on and take a bow. Grab your clothes and get gone. You better hurry up before the sprinkles come on. Talking about, girl, I love you, you're the one. This just looks like a rebound, please. What else is on? So don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got count. No, no, no. But you couldn't quite a show. Really had me going. But now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. There was quite a show. Really entertaining. Yeah, yeah. Oh, so on and take a bow. Handing a word for the bachelor goes to you. Better than me, believe in you. Could be faithful to me. Let's hear your speech. How about a round of applause? Standing ovation, but you couldn't quite show. Really had me going. That was time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Really entertaining. Yeah, but it's over now. Go on and take a bow. But it's over now. Go on and take